Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some yarny goodness. Hello, this is Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and if you are new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. I love to crochet. I love finding new patterns. I like to get out of my comfort zone and try new stuff. I love watching everyone's other crochet videos and seeing what kind of patterns and types of things are out there. So I hope you have a good time watching my channel, and if you are not subscribed and you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I do love all the comments. They help inspire me. I know you guys tell me that I'm always inspiring you guys, but you guys keep me inspired by leaving the comments and stuff. So I appreciate that. Today's video is a little short video. I don't have too much, but I did want to show that I finished this right here. And this is the Furls. It was off of the Furls website, and it is a free crochet lace cardigan pattern, and it's the Addy Cardigan, and I made short sleeves to it, and the pattern actually calls for long sleeves. I did make one, and it's in one of my other videos, and I do have long sleeves, and but I wanted something more to wear for summer, and so I went ahead and made the short sleeves. So yeah, that's it right there. I'll leave the link below. And I believe I made a medium, and I used an H 5.0 millimeter hook. These are the buttons that I added to it. Added 5 buttons. I just bought these at, I believe I got these at Hobby Lobby. These buttons. Here's the bottom, and I put a tag on it that my daughter had bought for me. Right there. And wearing it with a tank top. Nothing fancy. And it's, you know, nice and breezy. You gotta have something breezy. So yeah, I'm glad this is done. I will show you the yarn that I used. It is very soft, lightweight, and with these big holes in it like that, it's nice and breezy. So I've actually tried this on with so many different color tank tops that I have. I didn't try it with the black, but I know the black would look good. But I tried it like with my brown top colors, the orange, the green, the white, and it's not really orange, it's more like a pumpkin color. But anyway, so I tried it with all different types of shirts underneath it, and oh my gosh, I didn't realize that this butter color goes with so many different stuff, and so I like that idea. So I can really change it up, and I can change my necklace up. I'm actually wearing some jeans with this and a pair of brown boots, so I really don't even need this kind of necklace. I could just wear like a silver necklace or a gold necklace, more casually. But yeah, there's so much you can do with this sweater. Anyway, so let's get to the yarn that I used. I used the Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday DK yarn. And the color on this is Butter. And it is a 3-weight machine wash, warm, tumble dry. I'm going to have to remember that to do the tumble. It's 273 yards. There you go. It says it's a light new wash after wash. So this is my first garment to use with this yarn right here. And I do love this color. I did find some more that I had bought up there, and it's in black, and I do want one in black. Obviously, you got to have black. But I only have 3 skeins, so I'm going to have to wait till Premier has something on their website that I want that's on sale. And then when they do, I'll order me that 1 skein of black yarn. Otherwise, I'm just going to hold off on it for a while. But here is the 3 that I used, and I got into this some. So there you go. This is a really easy pattern. The next outfit that I'm going to make, though, cardigan, is going to be the Touch of Merino cardigan, and it's going to be done in the, I believe it's called the Willow Wash, and I've already got it in the living room, so I don't have it in here to show you guys. But that's what I've got pulled out for next. But yeah, if you like this Addy cardigan, it's a free pattern. I'll leave the link. Just go check it out and go try it. So, but if you do decide you want to make shorter sleeves, I did 8 rows of what the pattern said. And then I did 5 rows of this edging right here. So just to give you an idea of what I did. And to go around, it was, I think it may have been like 50 or 52 stitches because you have to single crochet around once you finish this lace part before you start the edging. And it was like 52 single crochet, and I turned it into 36 single crochet because I did a few rows of it, and it was, let's see, it was sticking out like that instead of more uniform to my arm. So if you want a bigger sleeve, you know, sticking out a little bit more, that's fine. You can just do, now this is a medium, so I'm talking about with the medium. So if you're wearing a medium, your arm is probably about the size of my arm. If you're wearing the large or the extra large, you may want to downsize those stitches as well because it did stick out a little bit too much. But anyway, I did like 36, and then I did 5 rows of the edging pattern. So yeah, and so I came up with short sleeves for it. Okay, so moving on, I'll show you what else. Yesterday I showed you in the video a lot of things that I was working on, so I don't need to show you any of that. You guys, you know, y'all get that. But I did get some mail in, and one of them is my Knitcrate. And I didn't realize that I hadn't gotten my June in. So when I was reading this is actually the June. And I didn't even realize it. I was waiting on July because here we are, June the 30th. So I was waiting on July to come in. I guess it's just been a crazy busy month. And I just did not realize I did not receive June. So I'm going to tell you that I did get June. And I was very excited about this one when it got in because I had not seen anyone's videos yet. And so when I did get it in the mail, I immediately opened it and I was happy. Look what I got, guys. Isn't that beautiful? I am so excited. This is probably the first yarn from Knitcrate or any other subscription that I believe I'm actually going to make something with. Not that I don't like the other ones, or I wouldn't pay the money for them if I didn't. I just haven't been inspired to actually make something yet. I don't want to, because I'll tell you, let's see, we did get, if y'all remember, let's see, I think this was Knitcrate. Do y'all remember when we got this one with the sparkles? I mean, I love it. So I don't want to say that I don't like their yarn. I absolutely love this. I just haven't been inspired to make something yet. It's like I want to save it. But when the right pattern comes, yes, I'm going to make this. I guess it's because it has the sparkle in it. And so I'm not quite sure. But I do love this. I mean, absolutely love it. It's gorgeous and it feels really good. So it's like I'm kind of saving this for the right pattern to come along. What else do I have in here from Knitcrate that I love? Let's see. I've only got a few boxes, so it's not like I have that much, you know. Okay, this is Knitcrate. I love this. And I'm actually saving this for something for this fall. So, yeah, I can't wait to get started on this. But anyway, back to my purple. I guess it's because it's so springy and summery. that it's like, I want to make something with it really quick. So this will be on my hook pretty fast. And I haven't quite decided what I want. If I end up making a top or a cardigan or something, I'll probably have to go online and order some more. So yeah, this is what was in it. The colorway says Haze. It says the Aldine Woods by Knitcrate TL Yarn Crafts Interlock is what the tag says. And on the back side, it says it's 34% cotton, 35% linen, 19% lyocell. It's Lyocell. I have not heard that before, but it's in there. 11% nylon, and it's 351 yards. So that's quite a bit of yardage on here. I was trying to see, does it tell me what, you know, what I'm saying? Like, is it a DK, a fingering? Did I misread that somewhere? Anyway, I don't really see that on here, and I don't know if interlock maybe has something to do with it, but I really don't care what it is. I do like it, so there it is. It does remind me of like a DK type weight, maybe a little thinner. Let's see my DK. Yeah, it's a little thinner than a DK, but anyway, I like it. So I got 2 of these that I get to work with, so pretty excited about that one. And it did come with this right here, and I like this a lot because in my living room where I do my sewing, crocheting, I actually have a magnetic thing with straight pins sticking in it. So I like this. It was just a little bonus thing that came with it. I have not gone online to see what kind of patterns they have. I may or may not. I don't know. I've been so busy lately. So I'm not sure exactly what I want to do with that. Okay, so, oh yeah, and if I have a link below, like a referral link. So every time someone signs up under my link, I get a free box every month. But the person that signs up, they also get their first box, I think, for like $5. So if you don't know anything about Knitcrate, check it out. Sign up if you feel like you want to for your to get the $5 box and see what it's all about. And then you can cancel if you're not happy with it. But I think you'll be happy, especially when they keep sending stuff like this and what I just showed you. So yeah, there you go. Okay, so the other thing I got in the mail, of course, is my Annie's, and it's in purple bag. So this one is, I believe it's the Annie's Caring Club. And I do have the link to this in the bottom of the description box as well. And I like this Annie's Caring Club a lot. Matter of fact, I just had a giveaway on the some Cancer Crochet hats. And so anyway, so this one came in, and I am loving this. I have not opened it to see what the yarn feels like. So let's look at it. I am very pleased with this one. Oh, here's the pattern. I forgot to show you. Let me take it out of this right here. Oops, wrong one. Here we go. Isn't it pretty? It says Painted Boxes Baby Blanket. Look at that pattern. That is definitely new pattern to me. So yeah, I'm excited about this. Here is the yarn. Isn't it just gorgeous? And it feels absolutely soft. Oh my gosh, guys. It says it's 100% acrylic. It's 3 light. Cool machine wash, gentle, tumble dry, gentle, low heat. Do not bleach and do not iron. It's 300 yards. So you get like 900 yards because you get 3 of these. So what they do is, when you buy this, I think you get your first box like half price, your first kit, and you can decide if you want to keep it, and if you don't, you can cancel your subscription. You can put your subscription on hold, and you can do that with Knitcrate too, I think. But anyway, you can put your subscription on hold if you're running low and you feel like you can't afford the monthly, or you can cancel. So those are options with it. But every month you do get a different kind of kit, and they give you this a thing on the back that tells you where, like if you want to make this and you want to donate it somewhere, they tell you a place where you can donate it. You can also keep it for yourself. You do not have to donate these items when you get them, but if you want to, they give you the option and tell you where you can mail your item to. So it even tells you right there. So that's really cool. I like that part about it. This is probably going to be an easy pattern because it says right here, row 1, row 2, row 3. Repeat rows 2 and 3 until blanket measures so many inches, and then your edging is 2 rows. So yeah, it's got to be pretty simple. So I am looking forward to that. I think that's really cool. And what I like about it is, you even, let's say you do donate it to someone or whatever, or you don't, at least, afterward you still have a good pattern. It's not like you're left with nothing. So yeah, that's really all that I have for this video. And it does come with some special offer stuff, but I'm pretty sure that's just like junk mail or spam mail or something. I don't know. I'll look at it here in a little bit. But yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I'm really happy with my Annie's Caring crochet kit. Okay, so today we're going to do our words of life. And I hope this video wasn't too short for you guys, but that's really all I have besides my projects that are going on. So maybe my next video will be a little longer. Okay, it says, for through him we both have access by one Spirit unto the Father, in whom we have boldness and access with confidence by the faith of him. Ephesians 2:18, 3 and 12. There you go. So I hope that helped you by having God's Word in your life today. Okay, so that's really all that I have for this video. If you want to like and share and comment or subscribe, that's up to you. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.